Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to update your Microsoft Edge browser on laptop. Very quick and easy tutorial guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here. Then this is going to drop down right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you scroll down all the way down, and then make sure you go to help and feedback. Then under the help and feedback, make sure you go to about Microsoft Edge. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So as at the time of making this video, you can see there is an update available right here. Now here, this is a latest update that is 137.0.3296.62, and this is for official 64-bit system Windows PC, just like what you see right here. Now, when you are checking for update, make sure this is particularly turned on because this is what consumes the data for the proper updates, and make sure this update here is fully complete. And once you complete the update, you are going to enjoy new release as far as Microsoft Edge browser is concerned, and your browser is going to be more faster. If you want to check on the new release detail about Microsoft Edge browser, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, simply click on these three dots right here while the update is going in the background. The next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, all the way down to help and feedback, and then make sure you click on what is new and tips, and it's going to open in a new page right here. So just like what you see right here, these are the release features details about new features in Microsoft Edge browser. You can see Microsoft Edge features and tips. So you can simply scroll down right here and read detail. So achieve more performance as far as this is concerned. Then best browser for gamer. You can read details right here. Scroll down and see more new release updates as far as Edge browser is concerned. So just like what you see right here, it's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Edge browser on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.